everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're over 50 and looking to build stronger glutes, you've come to the right place. Strong glutes aren't just for looks. They are absolutely crucial for maintaining balance, supporting your lower back, and improving your overall mobility. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia, and our glutes are often one of the first areas to weaken. This can lead to issues like back pain, poor posture, and an increased risk of falls. But the great news is, it's never too late to reverse this trend and build strength. Today, I'm going to show you some of the most effective and safe exercises you can do to fire up those glutes and get them stronger, faster. Ready to feel more powerful and stable? Let's get started. First up, we have the king of all glute exercises, the glute bridge. This is a fantastic loom-packed move that directly targets your gluteal muscles. Lie on your back, with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart, and your arms by your sides. Now, squeeze your glutes and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. The key here is to really focus on the squeeze at the top. Hold it for a couple of seconds, then slowly lower your hips back down. Just let them drop. Control the movement. Try to avoid arching your back. All the work should be coming from your glutes. This is a perfect warm-up or a standalone exercise. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Next, let's talk about the standing kickback. This exercise is excellent for isolating the gluteus maximus and improving your balance at the same time. Stand tall, holding onto a chair or a wall for support if you need it. Shift your weight onto one leg. Keeping your other leg straight, slowly extend it behind you, squeezing your glute at the top of the movement. Think about pushing your heels straight back. Make sure to keep your core engaged and your back straight. You don't need to lift your legs super high. A controlled, focused movement is much more effective than a big, swinging motion. Slowly bring your leg back to the starting position. Let's do 12 reps on one side, then switch to the other. Complete 3 sets on each leg. Now, for an exercise that targets the sides of your glutes, the gluteus medius, which is vital for hip stability. We're doing the clamshell. Fly on your side, with your knees bent at about a 45-degree angle and your legs stacked on top of each other. Rest your head on your lower arm and use your top arm to stabilize your body. Keeping your feet together, lift your top knee as high as you can without rocking your hips back. Your movement should look like a clamshell opening, V. This might seem like a small move, but you should feel a burn on the side of your hip and glute pretty quickly. Slowly lower your knee back down. Aim for 15 to 20 reps on each side for 3 sets. If you want more of a challenge, you can add a resistance band around your thighs. Finally, we have a modified squat, the chair squat. Squats are a powerhouse move, but form is everything, especially as we age. A chair makes it safer and helps you perfect the movement. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hinge at your hips, push your butt back as if you're about to sit down, and lower yourself slowly until you gently tap the chair. Then, drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes to stand back up. Keep your chest up and your back straight throughout the entire movement. Don't let your knees collapse inward. This exercise not only works your glutes, but also your quads and hamstrings, making it a fantastic functional movement. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And there you have it. 4 simple but powerful exercises to build stronger glutes after 50. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate these moves into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Always listen to your body, and if something doesn't feel right, stop and adjust. Building strength is a journey, not a race. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel with stronger, more active glutes. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful,